Yo, first order of the day, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is $7 going 4.5 miles. This place is busy. Thank you. Got the next order right away. This is a 7-Eleven, $6 going just under 3 miles. Morning.
Alex?
Yes. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is going to be a Taco Bell, $6 and change going 3.5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in? Right here. Go take a surgery today. Yeah, hold the window.
Okay, and just so you know, your screen is off. Just making sure you guys knew.
Thank you.
Yep. I've been sitting here for like 5 minutes now. This order is pretty terrible.
We're just waiting on fresh fries, okay? So give it 1 more minute.
Might as well. Oh, this one might be a mistake actually. No, okay, it's all sauce packets. I got a little worried. They're giving me an add-on. This is an extra $6 plus, that's what it says, going an additional mile. I was worried about the add-on because it said it was like 17 items. I was worried I was gonna sit here for an hour, but about 15 of those items are sauce packets, so we're good.
Let me make it right now.
Thank you. Does the other one have a drink, do you know?
No.
No? Okay. Thank you. Oh, gross. This one is a hand to customer. Morning. There you are.
Thanks, man.
Yep. Have a good day. Okay, there was a hidden tip on that add-on order. Total for that one ended up being $8 and change. Oh, and a customer added an extra $2 to a previous Taco Bell order. I'm assuming that was on the secondary order as well, because I'm pretty positive I've had that customer before and they tipped pretty well. So shout outs to them. Thank you very much. Which makes that stack about $17. Pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This is a Subway. Ooh, this one is high mileage. This one is $12 and change going 7 miles. Thank you. Drink is inside, yeah? Yet another high mileage order. This one I probably should not have taken actually. This is a 7-Eleven pickup. I believe this is alcohol. This one is $12 and change going 9 miles. Only reason I took this is because the total that it showed me is ending in 75, which with DoorDash, if there's a hidden tip, it's gonna end in 75. So pretty much just taking the 50-50. We shall see. Okay, and then just a scribble on that line for me. Well, I took the gamble and it didn't work out for me. Let that be a lesson to you all. Though I probably will do the same thing again if another order like that comes up. Also, that barely took any time at all. That's the thing with my market. I'd say about 80% of orders have some sort of highway driving, which is either a good or a bad thing, depending on how you look at it. Because that means high mileage orders could take a fraction of what you would expect, which again, could be a good or a bad thing. Like if I'm on earn by time and I get a high mileage order, obviously I'm not going to be happy about it, but at the same time, it is not going to take much time to complete, which could be a bad thing. Since it is on earn by time, it's all about the duration of the order. I don't know. I'm just yapping at this point. Just got the next order. This is a kitchen table cafe, $7 going 2.5 miles. This one might not be ready, so probably not going to be a great order. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
You're all set. Have a good one.
Never mind, I got lucky. Ooh, this is a hand to customer. Never mind again. This is for Mike. I don't know if you know who that would be. Okay, thank you. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one is not very good, but it should be an easy one. This one is $4 and change going less than a mile. Thank you. I can't find this one.
Hello?
So I can't seem to find your place. I'm right next to 83, and the next one over is 5.
Yeah, I tried to put a message on the thing. We're not in the mobile home park.
Did I jinx myself or did I jinx myself? That order took an extra like 10 minutes. I should have just skipped on that one to begin with. Anyways, I've got the next order. This is going to be a Burgerville. This one is $5 going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Next order up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is $6 going 3 miles.
All right, there you go. Have a great day.
Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $6 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too, thank you. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $7 going 1 mile.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Of course, it's upstairs. Got the next order right away. This is a Chick-fil-A, $6 going 3 miles.
Tony, can I see the... Can I see it again? Actually. Oh, that's because this isn't for Chick-fil-A.
Is it not?
No.
Oh, it's Starbucks. I read that wrong. Well, that's a first. I don't think I've ever gone to the wrong restaurant like that. I don't even know why I had Chick-fil-A on the mind. Did I say Starbucks or Chick-fil-A earlier? I don't remember. Either way, luckily it's just a street over, so not a big deal. Thank you. You too. This next order is Champ Pizza, $6 and change, going, I think it said 4 miles. Thank you. Okay, I'm starving, so I'm just gonna go ahead and call it here. Current time is 10:15. Current total, we are at, I think, 96. And we're still waiting on the tip from the Uber from earlier. So that should bring it up to, I think, 101. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.